uli po, we are again, inaanyayahan namin ang lahat na kahit po kami ngayon ay tapos na supposedly dahil sa executive order ni Presidente, Executive Order 47 na inissue ni President Marcos, dapat tapos na ang application for amnesty. Pero kasi meron tayong approved ng NTF-ELCAC na extension. So it is for the signature of the President. So another 2 years, kasi po may data na sinabmit sa atin yung Task Force Balikloob na meron daw total of 50 former rebels ng CPP, NPA, NDF na nasa kanila for which are for possible application for amnesty. So, ang NTF-ELCAC is working with us na i-approve ni Presidente yung ating extension na 2 years. So, in the meantime, if you intend to file your application for amnesty, we will just accept it and put it as provisionally accepted kasi hihintayin po natin yung official order ng presidente na tayo ay ma-extend po ng 2 years.